My name's Dalton Bourne. McKenna's my TA. Today I'm going to show you all how to heat a test tube. So here I have this glass beaker filled halfway up with water. I should never let the beaker get dry, so if it starts to get low, I'll fill it back up to halfway again.
Okay.
And take the test tube. It's going to get hot, so I always want to hold it with the test tube clamps and not with my hands. So, voila. I take the test tube and place it in the water. And it could release fumes, so I always want to do it under my draft hood here. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to heat this test tube with a Bunsen burner. So theoretically, if the Bunsen burner was on, there'd be a flame coming out right here. And I'd want to move my test tube move the flame along the length of my test tube so it doesn't get too hot in one spot. The glass doesn't get too hot. Fumes and stuff could be coming out, so I want to make sure I'm facing it away from myself or my lab partner or anybody else who might be around. Once it's done, I want to make sure, I don't want to touch it with my hands obviously because it's going to be very hot, so I need to let it cool. And I would put it in my test tube rack, but I have a plastic one so it could melt it. So I'm going to let it sit in this beaker until it cools, and then I can move it into my test tube rack.